How to fix 8-ball pool not working on BlueStacks 5. Now, the very first thing that you'll have to check and to make sure is to make sure that you're currently running the latest version or the official software from BlueStacks 5. Now, if you would like to do that, then all you have to do first is to pull up any preferred web browser that you want. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and then make sure that you will directly head to bluestacks.com. Now, this is going to be the bluestacks.com's official website, and all you have to do is to download depending on the build of your current PC or your laptop. For you to be able to know, all you have to do is to find see all versions and click on that. You will be redirected to a new page, and all you have to do is to download the BlueStacks 5. Now, once you have done downloading BlueStacks 5, it will automatically install by itself. And all you have to do, if you already downloaded 8-Ball Pool from BlueStacks 5 software, just simply uninstall 8-Ball Pool and try to reinstall it again. So that's it. That's how you troubleshoot 8-Ball Pool not working on BlueStacks 5.